Today I'm going to take this scrap 1-inch square tubing and turn it into a rack to organize the junk behind my shed. Alright, I have the ends squared up. Just going to basically freestyle fabricate this. Don't really have a huge plan. I got a picture in my head. I'm just going to start building. See how it comes out. Alright, here's what I come up with so far. This end's going to be the top. I'm going to have a tab here with this 1/4 inch hole drilled in the center for a lag bolt that will attach to the fence. This top one, I decided to put it at a 75-degree angle. I'm going to put a board, a piece of locust or something across the top here so that any rain coming down doesn't hit what I store on my racks. It'll be like a little roof. That's why that one's angled. Then the rest of them are just going to be vertical. So what I'm thinking, the first rack is going to hold my wooden trailer ramps. This way they'll be the most protected. So they're made out of 2x8s, I believe, or 2x6s. Either way, they're going to sit right here stacked on top of each other. There'll be plenty of room here. Then the next one, I'm going to leave probably about maybe a 6-inch gap, because most of the steel I have is 1x2, 2x2, those sizes. I have a bunch of T-posts also I want to put on these racks. So I figure about a 6-inch gap in between. So I'm going to have one here, another one here, one here, and possibly one at the bottom. I'm going to get these tacked here, and then I'll figure out the rest down this end. It's not pretty, but it doesn't need to be. It's going to mount to the fence post in this orientation here. So you can see we'll have a little pitch on the top, and then we have our top bay and then 3 bottom bays here. So a total of 4 bays to store material in. Just need to drill some holes for the mounting bolts on the top and bottom, and then this will be done. I'm going to whip up the second one off camera real fast, and I will show it to you when it's all hung up on the fence. The second one went together really fast. I threw some random black paint I had laying around on them. It's not a good paint job, but it's good enough. I picked up some lag bolts. I'm going to bring it outside and get it mounted to the fence, and we're going to see how it works. Alright, they mounted up pretty easy. This fence post was nice and square. This other one I had to use some shims because the way this post dried, it kind of twisted a little bit, so I had to shim it because when I put the board across, it'll just sit nicer. It doesn't really matter, but this is what it looks like here. Looking down the side here, looks like they line up pretty good. Let me throw some junk on here. All right, this piece of locust I had worked perfectly. Just had to trim it down. I have to drill a couple holes and bolt it, and then this project will be done. If you need to store T-post or metal or wood off the ground, this seems to be a good way. If you have a fence, quick little welding project, came out great. Thanks for following along. Catch you on the next one.